Dear children, last day I taught you two features of democracy, page number 239. Two features of democracy I taught you. Now, approaches of Allende, Walesa and Bachelet. We have read about three democratic governments, Allende's Chile, Walesa Poland, Bachelet Chile. Each of the above has had different approach towards social and economic matters. Allende performed government control on big industry and economy. Walesa wanted a market to be free of government interference. Bachelet stood somewhere in the middle on these issues. These three governments share some basic features as under. The power was in hands of these three governments. The government was elected by the people and not by army, unelected leaders or any external power. Real meaning of democracy. After studying the two tales of democracy, the real meaning of democracy can be concluded as under. Democracy is a form of government that allows people to choose their rulers. In democracy, first, only leaders elected by people should be rule the country. Second, the people must have the freedom to express their views, freedom to organize association and freedom to protest against any unfavorable step taken by the government. The changing map of democracy. Changing the map of democracy, the 20th century was full of many kinds of events. Some of these were as follows. Transition and challenges to democracy. Second, military coup. Third, struggle of the people to bring back democracy. There three maps are given below which show a pattern in the way democracy have evolved in the 20th century. मैं फर्स्ट में देखें depicts the countries that were democratic in 1950, a few years after the Second World War. It also shows the countries that had already become democratic by 19th century. Last, map 1.2 present a picture of democratic regimes in 1975 after most of the colonies had gained independence. Map 1.3 shows the status of democratic countries at the beginning of the 21st century. The main points that emerge from the reading of these maps can be summarized as under. Observe the maps and answer the question and comes after each point. Democracy has expanded throughout the 20th century. It is correct to say that each point in these maps, the number of democratic countries is longer than number at the previous point in time. Democracy did not spread evenly in all parts of the world. It was established first in some regions and then spread to other regions. Which continents in the world had a large number of democracies in 1900 and 1950, which were the countries that had no one. Although a majority of countries are democratic today, there are still large parts of the world that are not democratic. Which region is not what comprised most of the countries that were not democracies in 2000? Faced in the expansion of democracy, beginning. Modern democracy started more than 200 years ago with the uprising of the French Revolution of 1789. However, this had neither security nor stability. France. During the next 100 years, democracy in France was overthrown and restored many times. This gave inspiration to many struggles for democracy in Europe. Britain. In Britain, the struggle for democracy started many years before the French Revolution. Through the 18th and 19th century, a series of the political events took place slowly. They reduced the power of monarchy and nobles feudal lords. Formation of the USA. Right to vote was granted to more and more people. The British colonies in North America declared themselves independent in 1776. In the ensuing few years, these colonies came together for formation of the United States of America. They adopted a democratic constitution in 1787. However, the right to vote was limited to few men. Universal suffrage. Struggle in the 19th century, struggle for democracy often centered around political equality, freedom and justice. Demand. One of the major demands was right for every adult citizen to vote. No right to vote. Initially, many European countries who were becoming more democratic did not allow the voting right to people. Questions. In some countries, only people owning property had the right to vote. Women not granted. Women actually were also not having voting right. The blacks. In the United States of America, the blacks all over the country could not get right to vote until 1965. Universal adult franchise. Those struggling for democracy wanted this right granted universally to all adults, men or women, rich or poor, white or black. This is called universal adult franchise or universal suffrage. The book here tells us when universal suffrage was granted in many countries of the world. 1893 in New Zealand, 1917 Russia, 1918 Germany, 1919 Netherlands, 1928 Britain, 1931 Sri Lanka, 1934 Turkey, 1944 France, 1945 Japan, 1950 India, 1951 Argentina, 1952 Greece, 1955 में मलेशिया, 1962 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया, 1965 में यूएस, 1978 में स्पेन, 1994 में साउथ अफ्रीका। इन्हें इंडिपेंडेंस प्राप्त हुई और इस यूनिवर्सल सफरेज जिन्हें ब्लैक लोग थे, इन्हें वोट देने का अधिकार नहीं था। इन देशों में किस सन में किसको आज़ादी मिली, किसको वोट देने का अधिकार मिला, ये आपको टेबल है, इसको देखें और ध्यान से पढ़ें। नाउ नेक्स्ट डे एंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्जेशन नेक्स्ट थैंक्स।